So we'll talk about the remote timer. These work awesome. There's another one that I put up, but this one works really good on and off. These work. We're going to plug this in. This way, if you ever run into an issue, not only just when you're cutting something, you know, I've seen problems where we plugged in something backwards and where the mail came in backwards and it caught on fire. And so if you would have one of these, you would be able to turn that power off and before it got back and screwed something up. So these work really good. Also, we teach to install the lights with the power on. So that way, the last thing you want to do is get done with all these lights and then you got to go back and you're like, crap, now I got to go and tighten up these two bulbs because you didn't tighten them up good enough. So these timers work really good. They do come with 2 remotes. One thing I will say is make sure that with the 2 remotes, make sure that you mark them. So maybe put a big 1 on it and put 1, 1. So that way these remotes don't work with the other ones. So you want to make sure that the remotes are for the actual the remote here. So that is something that you want to do to make sure that you're doing this to help protect and make sure that you are not burning down someone's house or cutting a hot wire. Because when you cut hot wires, when you trip the GFCI in the house, guess what? You're not able to test the wires no more. So that's why you want to make sure you have this.